This video provides an overview of the data migration tool that comes with vCenter Server 4.1. This video is based off Knowledge Base Article 1022137 and the vSphere Upgrade Guide. This utility will assist you in migrating your existing vCenter servers to a new 64-bit server. The reason for this utility is that vCenter Server 4.1 now requires that it be installed on a 64-bit operating system. 32-bit operating systems used as the host for vCenter Server are no longer supported. VMware has introduced the data migration tool to help you migrate much of your vCenter Server configuration automatically. To get started, you'll want to download the latest version of vCenter Server 4.1 from our website. Once you download the ISO, you will want to make a DVD-ROM out of it by using a third-party DVD creation software. Now log into your vCenter server as an administrator. Insert the VMware vCenter Server installation DVD you just made. If the DVD does not auto-run, go to My Computer on your vCenter server and double-click the DVD-ROM. Once a splash screen is displayed, click Explore Media. Open the data migration folder on the DVD-ROM and extract the data migration.zip archive to a writable local file system on the source vCenter server machine, preferably the root of your C drive. Before you begin, you'll want to stop VMware services. From a Windows command prompt, change to the data migration folder and type backup. This will run the backup script of the data migration tool. Respond to any script prompts. The script checks the vCenter server version, database type, vCenter Update Manager configuration if installed, and vCenter Orchestrator configuration if installed, to determine whether they are compatible with the data migration tool. If vCenter Update Manager is not installed, enter Y when prompted to continue the backup. The vCenter server configuration data and SQL Express database are copied to the data folder in the extracted folder. The vCenter Server database instance is upgraded to be compatible with vCenter Server 4.1. You can check the file backup log in the logs folder under data migration for errors. If you find no errors, the data backup was successful. If you do find errors, correct the source of the error and rerun backup.bat before proceeding. Now copy the data migration folder from the source machine to the destination machine. You can use network shares to accomplish this, or use some kind of portable media like a thumb drive. We will now go to our target or our destination server, which will be our new 64-bit server. Once again, log in as administrator. From the Windows command prompt, change to the data migration folder copied from the source machine and type install.bat. If the name of the new machine is different from the name of the source machine, enter Y to continue. Enter the path to the vCenter server installation media. In this example, it is D:. The install script verifies the data migration is present and launches the vCenter server installer. Select a language for the installer and click OK. When the welcome screen appears, click Next. Agree to the terms of the license agreement and click Next. You will now want to select Install SQL Server 2005 Express Instance and click Next. Enter a password for the vCenter Service user account if you are using one. For this example, we will not use an account. Either accept the default destination folder or click Change to select another location. At this time, we will just leave this at default. Enter the port numbers to use or accept the port numbers shown and click Next. Once again, we will be using the defaults. The port numbers displayed are those that were backed up from the source vCenter server installation. Select the amount of memory to allocate to the vCenter JVM in Tomcat, according to the number of hosts in your environment. You can adjust the setting after installation if the number of hosts in your environment changes. For this example, we will leave it at defaults. Click Install. When the vCenter server installation finishes, click Finish. The Data Migration tool restores the backed up configuration data. The VMware vCenter Update Manager wizard will now launch. Click OK to choose a language. At the Installation wizard, click Next. I accept the terms of the license agreement and click Next. Once you get to this screen, enter a user that has administrator privileges to vCenter. In this example, we will use Administrator. In this instance, we'll just install Microsoft SQL Express. Take all defaults, click Next. If you want to change the destination folder, you may do so now. Otherwise, leave it at defaults. Click OK on the information message, and then click Install. Once the installation is complete for vCenter Update Manager, click Finish. After the installation is complete, you can check the restore log file in the logs folder under Data Migration and verify that no errors occurred during the restore process. You are done. Congratulations on your first successful migration. For more videos like this one, visit our website at www.vmware.com, and thank you.